Hey guys, it's Josh here, a Unity game developer at Pearl Lemon Games. If you're interested in making games with us, you can just go into the site pearllemongames.com. In here, you can see the details or information about us. Or if you want to try our games, you just click this button right here. So in here you can find a bunch of games that are created by our own game developers. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you about scene management. Now scene management allows us to switch scenes in a project in Unity. So to start it off, of course, we need to create a new scene by going to File, and then first we need to save this current scene. So to do that, we must go to Build Settings and then Add Open Scenes. Now this scene is now saved. So next step would be create our new scene. So to do that, File and then New Scene, and then Create. I'm just gonna pick 3D. So in here, I'm planning to do like a starting menu before you go into the game. So to do that, go into your hierarchy, right click, UI, choose UI, and then canvas. So then right click on the canvas, choose UI, and then choose Text Mesh Pro, text. Just import this both. And this one. And after it's done, we just close this window, and then we just click this 2D toggle to see the canvas more properly. Okay, so from here, for example, I'm gonna change this text into game menu. Just gonna make it bigger. And then from here, from the text, we right click again, add a UI, and then button. Let's just change the text into game start. Then to change the text itself inside the button, game start, we're just gonna move the button. Wait a minute. There you go. Here. So the next step is we must create an empty game object. For example, proceed to next level, and then press this add a component, then new script, proceed to next level. Just click create and add, and then just double click here to open it up. Oh, I also forgot to save this new scene created. So in order to do that, we must go to File and then Save. And then next thing we will do is go to Build Settings again and then Add Open Scenes. That's our game menu. So next thing we'll do is go back to our script. In here, we don't need this to the start and update. I'm just gonna create a new method. You must declare it as a public void. For example, proceed, open and close parentheses, and then the brackets. So in here, you need to type scene manager that load scene and then 1. Now this number inside the parentheses corresponds to the order in our build settings. So once this script is activated, it's gonna load the scene number 1, which is our game menu. So we don't need to do that. We must need to proceed to the sample scene. So in order to do that, let's just edit the scene order in this by dragging the game menu in the above the sample scene. So that's how easy it is. So now 1 is the sample scene. So I think this will work. Let's just save this one and then let's go back in our Unity and wait for it to compile. And now it's done compiling. Just close this window. And the next step would be go into Canvas, find your button, which is Game Start. From the Game Start button, you scroll down and then you see this on click option. Just press the plus icon and then you drag in the game object where the script is attached to this none object. And then from here, it could detect the methods inside. So proceed to next level and then proceed. As you can see here, it's the public void proceed. So now I think this would work. So let's try it. So now by clicking this button, this should load the next scene. And I think that worked. We proceed to the next scene. So that's one method of using Scene Manager in Unity. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.